Subscribe to Technical Bulletin channel and press on bell icon to know latest information and technologies whatever you are using on your daily life. Most of the viewers are suggesting to make the video in Hindi as well. So I need your personal suggestion. What do you think it will be more convenient to you if I will make the video in Hindi as well? Comment below. What I planned, I will provide you the same content in Hindi and English as well. If I will upload the same content in Hindi and at the very initial part of the title I will mention that in a square bracket Hindi. So I need your personal suggestion. What do you think about it, and it will be more convenient for you or not? Comment below. So come to our today's main topic, wonderful topic I can say. Today I'm gonna discuss with you all the 5G technologies what will be implemented in India. So keep on watching this video till the end. Today I'm gonna discuss with you guys what is 5G technology and when it will become to India. Welcome back to a fresh episode of Technical Bulletin. This is Hemant. Today I will discuss with you all what is 5G technology and what is the technology is being used over here and when it will come to India. 5G technology, that means the 5th generation technology. It was the first tested in the Finland in the year of 2016. If I talk about in India, Reliance Jio make the collaboration with the Samsung to deploy the 5G technology services with its 4G existing network in the January 2017. In February 2017, BSNL make the collaboration with the Nokia to implement the 5G services to its existing network, and in March 2017 Airtel make the collaboration with the Nokia to provide the 5G service to its users with its existing network. So what exactly the technology is being used over here in this 5G technology? The name of the technology is massive MIMO. MIMO stands for multiple input and multiple output. What exactly the operation will be doing here? So it will use the multiple antennas at the transmission side and multiple antennas as well as in the receiver side, so that the user will not face any kind of signal problems, any kind of data transmission problems, so that it will be more convenient to the user. So if I talk about the technology benefits, so for example, you are currently using 1 Mbps speed of data, and if you will on your hotspot, or if you are using Wi-Fi, and also if your Wi-Fi has 1 Mbps of speed, if you will share with connected devices, then that 1 Mbps will be divided into the number of devices whatever it is connected to its Wi-Fi network. But if I talk about the 5G technology, the devices whatever that will be connected to the same network will receive the same amount of speed whatever the parent device. That means the Wi-Fi device, for example, Wi-Fi device have the 1 Mbps of data speed, then the connected devices, whatever the devices is connected to that Wi-Fi, all of the devices will get the same Mbps, that same speed of data. That means 1 Mbps of data. So it will be more convenient to the user. If I talk about the data transmission speed, so what are the benefits the user will get in this technology? The first benefit the user will get over here is that the capacity of the base station will be increased by 5 to 7 times. That means, for example, a base station is there, so the coverage of the base station, they can transmit the signal up to 5 to 7 times whatever the currently transmitting the signals. That means the user will not face any kind of signal problem whenever you are accessing the internet or making the calls. And also it reduce the interference, call interference or any kind of interference it will reduce, because it will use the multiple antennas at the transmission and multiple antennas at the reception side. So it will choose the alternate paths whatever the more convenient to the user it will use, and they can able to provide you the best possible way to transmit the data from the user. The next benefit is that the data transmission, the speed will be high. The user can get up to 30 Mbps to 35 Mbps of data speed in an average, and the user can get also up to 50 Mbps of data speed in the peak time. So it will be more convenient to the people if the 5G technology will be implemented in India as well. So next benefit is that it will boosting up the transmission signals into the devices. As I've already told you that the transmission is the multiple antennas, then it will boost the signals, and the user will not face any kind of problem whenever they are using the services, the 5G services. The next benefit is that it will improve the battery life, because for example if you want to download a 500 MB of file, if with your existing network it usually take around 10 to 15 minutes, then if you will implement the 5G services, then it will be complete within a fraction of moment. So by this way it will improve the battery life as well. So this is all about today. Thank you for watching this video, and if you still have some sort of if you want to know more about this, I have made the blog about this, and I put it in the description part. Go below, you will go to the description, you will find out the blog. If you want to know more about this technology, you can find over there. And one more advantage in the blog is that you can translate with your convenient language, appropriate language. For example, any Indian regional language like Hindi, English, Bengali, anything you can translate and you can read it very comfortably. So thank you for watching this video. If you still not like this video, share this with your family, friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, because I am providing the technologies whatever you are using on your daily life. See you on my next episode. Till then, take care of yourself. Jai Hind.